What up, guys? Good what? Morning or afternoon? Okay, it is still morning. Like today I've been greeting people good morning, good morning, good morning because looking at the window and the whole place is so sunny, and thank God my the place here in this room is so chill because of the AC and all of that. But when people call me on the phone, I'll be like, hi, good afternoon, and the person will be like, oh, it is still morning. I'm like, oops. I'm actually thinking it's afternoon already because of the sun. The sun is so freaking much. Like today I'm not thinking I'm gonna be like going out. Even if I'm going out, maybe I'm not gonna be going far. I'll actually wait for the sun to come down a little. Okay, so for the topic of the day, I am so duper happy for today. And I noticed I had 1 million subscribers yesterday. I don't know if I'm going to be posting this video here or I'm going to be posting it in my beauty channel, alright? Because of course you guys know I have a beauty channel and a vlog channel, alright? So I am just celebrating my 1 million subscriber. It's not been so easy, it has been so challenging, and it's been so good, doing what you love, bringing what you love to do on YouTube, makes you stronger and makes you, continue to do it and all of that. I am super duper happy, and thank you all for those who have wished me congrats on my 1 million subscribers. I am so duper happy. You don't know how much that means to me. And thank you all for those who made it possible for me to get to 1 million subscribers. And thank you all for the encouragement. It hasn't been easy, alright? It hasn't been easy, not even for 1 minute, not for one day. It's been so challenging, but despite the up and down, the going up and here and all of that stuff, I've been firm, keeping it real and keeping it strong, and still uploading videos. And it is so easy for you to just bring into YouTube what you love doing, because by so doing it's you would have ability to always put up contents that people would love, people would like, and put up a character that people would admire. And that has been what I've been doing, guys. It has been great. Anyway, so today I marked 1 million subscriber. It is so it fell into place. Yo guys, so I have something I want to tell you guys. And today, in fact, I bought a car for my dad. Alright, yep, I said that. Okay, I'm sure it is actually not a new thing, but it is a new thing to me, so I should be happy. Yes. Alright. Okay, so now let me tell you what I'm gonna be doing. I am gonna be pranking him. My dad is actually in the sitting room, but he came around to pick up some stuff, and I am gonna be pranking him that I'll go along with the camera though, and I'm going to be telling him that I bought a car for him and that we should go downstairs and check the car. Alright, so he'll be happy and he'll be joyous and all of that, and then I'll now tell him it is a prank. He'll be, I don't know how he will feel, but let's go. This is the key to the car. It's a Toyota car. It's actually the particular car that he said he liked, because he loved a kind of space car that, because of the family, so the car is actually outside. Let me show you guys. Hold on. Okay, so that is the car. The car is there. That's what I want. You're facing me and you. Alright, that is it. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna be hiding this key in my pocket here. So I'll tell him that, oops, there's no car. It's a prank, it's a neighbor's car and all of that. And after which I've seen his facial expression, I'll be like, oh, it is your car. Alright, so let's go. They actually just took lights and they brought it back, thank God. All right, let's go.
Wow.
You're smiling.
Why shouldn't I? I'm a happy man.
Oh yeah, let's go now. Let's go down.
I'm a happy man.
Let's go down now. I bought a car for you.
You're kidding. You're kidding me. Eh?
Stand up now. Let's go. Let me go and show you the car. Stand up now.
Where is the car?
Stand up now. Will it be parked inside this house?
No. Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go now.
Lead the way. Are you looking at it to see if the car is there? Open the door. Let's go outside.
Eh?
Okay, hold on. Let's go.
You.
Okay.
Let us go. Very serious. Are you serious?
When we get there, we'll know.
Yeah.
Let's go. No, pass. No, this one has always been here.
This way. Yeah, 25. With number already. Yeah, you people will hear something.
That is the car.
But you did not inform me now. You didn't.
But I don't have to inform you because that's the car you say you like now. Oh yeah, now come and open it.
Wow. This is the same person. Where is the key? It's not.
It's a prank.
It's a prank.
Na neighbor car.
You people will not kill me.
It's a prank.
Wetin I will talk,
You
sir?
people will not kill me.
You go drink wine today.
My children, they don't even, they hardly allow you to know.
That is a prank. Oh, it's a neighbor's car. Anyways, it's not your car.
Okay.
So, how do you feel? This is how you feel. You breathe in and out.
I don't know where my stand. I don't know my stand now. No. As you said, it's a new car. But the only thing is that being this car,
The only thing is what?
being a picnic, the traffic.
Since it's the car. You...
I've not seen it yet.
No, he's a neighbor. Maybe the people are here. Seriously. It's...
I don't know who to buy. All my children, all of you are very Don't always allow me to know I'm a good start.
Where they go is
Only
it's
that I just strong
a
as a
prank. all right, guys. So my dad, how do you feel? You feel disappointed? He's not feeling disappointed, but yeah, because he has hope, faith,
Yes.
and he's just.
I have a trust in my children. I know that they cannot tell me what.
But it's a prank now. It's not like it's
Even
not your car.
if it is a prank, I know that something good is.
It's coming.
Yes,
That's the
right.
faith. I love that.
Yes.
That is so great.
Yes.
Oh my god.
I know that something good.
Let's go.
It's on its way.
It was a prank.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, bro. Thank you.
Daddy, come. It's not a prank. It's your car. No, come. It's not a prank. See the key here.
See now. Wow, my God.
It's not a prank. You think I'll come and prank you with someone's car?
All of them are like this. Both my wife said they don't even allow you to know the
You've opened it, yeah, it's open now.
true position.
Remove the key. Remove the key. Why so? Why did you breathe in like that and out?
Because you people are always
Because you're happy.
making me to be confused somehow, but I'm happy. I'm a happy man. Thank God.
Yeah.
I know that. I know what you can do. I know what you can do. I trust you. Glory be to God Almighty.
Yeah.
That is what I
Anyway, well, you guys know it wasn't all a prank, but I just needed to, make it like a prank. So it was just breathing in and out. Anyway, Daddy, bring it. Let me move it. I know you won't be able to move it now, but I'll teach you. I'll do manual teaching.
It's automatic car.
Yes, it's
Wow.
automatic.
Oh my God.
It's automatic.
You're too much.
It's automatic. You say you need automatic, and you say you need
More
picnic.
blessings. The Lord will continue to
Amen.
more and more and more. As far as I'm concerned, do you know one thing?
What?
I just said yeah.
Okay. That's nice. That's
There is something
secret.
you will do for me.
That's secret. That's
We'll
not for
talk
the
about that
camera.
later.
That's not for the camera. Let's leave the car. Let's leave the people out of.
We'll talk
Anyway,
about that
so let's
later.
move the car.
Mm.
Okay.
We'll do that
So.
later. Let me come over.
Okay. So.
Wow. Okay, no camera.
No, this one is your own. Now my own, I get camera stand.
Even this one will get. That's on
The
Sundays.
camera stand.
I'll be pushing and piloting everybody as a family.
I don't know how to drive this car. Like.
I don't know.
So. I don't want to know. I'm not going outside. I'm not going outside. I have plenty of work.
Not the actor.
You can learn.
Thank you, my dear.
Alright guys, so that will be the end of this video for today. And yo, let me go upstairs because this place is so freaking hot and I have some work to do. And okay, Daddy, come and tell them what you wanted to say the other time before the camera stopped. Yeah, hold it. Let's go upstairs.
Okay. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so happy today. I'm so happy that my first daughter have been able to buy me a car in this life while I live it. So I'm so glad. I'm so glad. And I have this to tell the following. Please, if you have a child, believe in them, trust in them. Don't call your child bastard. Don't call your child stupid. Rather, as a father, it is your duty to teach them what you want them to become. I believe in God, and today, the Lord has done it for me. Tried all your best to lay a good foundation.
For your
Right?
kids,
Yes,
for your children,
that foundation
and for
that
the
will
family.
we're in due course, the foundation that we will live and enjoy it.
Yeah.
That is what I'm reaping today, and I give God all the glory. Please don't call your child bastard.
Yes,
or
and
this-
that does not mean you
this child
should
is
you should
this
spare
or
the
that.
rod, because even the Bible says spare
Yeah,
the
we
rod
should
and
not-
spoil a
But we
child.
should train them in the way of the Lord, in the
Yeah.
rightful way.
Yeah.
That is my belief.
Yeah. All right, guys. So
Today.
that will be the end of this video for
So
today.
thank you. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Yes.
And please subscribe, thumbs up, and share. And if it was emotional to you, let me know at the comment section. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Ciao, 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 ciao. Ouch.